Assalamu alaikum. As we were on lesson number 3, professions, and there are only two professions that is discussed by the writer. First one we discuss in the first video, that is all about teaching. So how a teacher, how a professional person who concerned with the department of teaching, how he teaches and how he has a thirst for knowledge. So second one, we are going to start our next part of the lesson, that is name is fishing. Fishing, you all know about fishing. Fishing is an industry, fishing is a business, fishing is a survival for the mariners, and fishing is done everywhere in the world, because you all know that 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Fish has its own kingdom, and it can be found in ponds, canals, streams, rivers, oceans. So it has, this is another creature. Fish is a food, and by selling the fishes we can earn so many means amount of money, and fish is a flourishing trade nowadays, because fishing is not concerned with Pakistan only. Fishing is done everywhere in every country of the world, because where there is canal, ponds, because the water system, the irrigation system exists in every country. So in this way we can found that fishes over there, and it becomes a survival for the mariners or the fish catchers, who always busy in catching the fish and who selling that fishes in abundant quantity to the nearby towns or local. So fish has its own value, has its own importance in our life, because by eating fish we get a rich source of vitamin A. In this way we can escape, we can get relief from the deficiency of blindness, or we can have a rich amount of vitamin A that is exists in fishes. So the canals, the oceans, sea, they are so full of fishes. So means thousands of fishes that exist in the under the ocean, under the ponds, under the streams. So in this way, now slowly and gradually, day by day, mariners they are doing very good arrangements and proper arrangements regarding the fish catching, because earlier when there was no any kind of radar system, there was no any kind of weather forecasting system. So people, they go to the oceans and they go and spend their weeks and months over there, and they busy in catching fishes, and sometimes they become the victim of the storms. Sometimes they face a heavy rain over there, sometimes they face a very stormy or wind storm over there. So in this way, so many mariners, so many fish catchers, they means we can say they sacrifice their life for this profession. So in this way, the result of proper arrangement of the fish catching is not come on a one day, but it took a long time to make arrangements about the fishing. So in this way, if you go through the text, we will come to know that there are two kinds of fishing that is done in Pakistan and other countries. One is freshwater fishing and other is marine water fishing. Freshwater fishing, you can see that river Indus, just like we have river Indus, and we have streams, we have canals, we have ponds, So these are the glaring examples, they are the living examples of freshwater fishing. So freshwater is fishing, there the people, they cannot catch abundant of fishes over there, but the fishes, they are become the source of trade at local level, because the people, they catch fish from the freshwater, they are more tastier than that, because their weight is below the 5 kg or just like that. But when the fishes are fishing done in marine water fishing, that is, or we can say sea water fishing, that is done in oceans, okay, and that is done in sea. So you will see that in marine water fishing or in oceans, there are a lot of fishes, they are very much heavy, they are in quantity or in weight, they are in tons, just like we have whale, we have shark, we have other fishes, they are very much heavier, their weight is very much heavier, they are very much cruel and dangerous for the human being, because the people, only 1 or 2 people, they cannot catch them easily, because they need a very long boats, they need a very proper things to catch them, because they risk their life over there, because they put their life in a danger condition. So in this way, marine water fishing is somehow very much dangerous for the mariners, but they do catch over the fishes over there, and but sometimes they become the victim of the fishing and they sacrifice their life. And freshwater fishing, you can say, in other words, that is the inland fishing is also there, because the people from the area, people from the locality, they can do over there, they can catch the fishes easily over there. So in this way, these are the two kinds of fishing, and they can sell them in the nearby markets, they can sell them in the nearby towns in this way. So freshwater fishing is especially done in Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is a very vast sea, so in this way there is some boundaries that touch our country. So in this way there is the law of the sea that is introduced by international law. So in this way the people, they catch the fishes within the vicinity of the, or the boundaries of the marine water. So what they, sometimes they face the dangers, and sometimes the storms, they come over there on their path during moving towards the fishing. So in this way, so now government of Pakistan is very much serious, and fisheries department, because fisheries department is also established in Karachi, and he also, this become a department, and it becomes hold some ministries. Means fisheries becomes itself a department, okay, and it has a minister, it has a secretary, it has a other infrastructure. It becomes a systematic thing nowadays, and it is taking good efforts, good steps for the betterment and the welfare of the fishing department. And they came to know that this fishing becomes a flourishing trade nowadays. In this way we can sell the fishing. In Pakistan we have district Sangar, the fish is very much popular all around the Asia, and so many people they visit over there, they catch the fishes over there, and they sell out among the vicinity of that. And the fish industries nowadays, there are no any kind of small boats that is taken to the sea and catch the fishes. But now the people, while they are considering that this is a department, this is an we can say a systematic department, so now they are taking trawlers, they are taking a large boats over there to catch the more and more fishes over there. So in this way, fish markets are also being set in the areas, in the cities or in the towns. Just like when you go to your markets, you will see a market where only fish is sold out by the means the people or the shopkeeper, because this is one of the markets that is set up for the trade, for the means it becomes a small industry now. Okay, so in this way boats, now what happens with the boats, earlier the boats, they don't have any kind of things that is installed, and people, they are unaware about the storm, they are unaware about the things what can be happened with them during the voyage. So now the government is taking the efforts to save the lives of the mariners, so they install a wireless system in the boats, in the large boats. In this way you can communicate with the seashore, you can communicate with the people, they are present over there at the sea shore, and the people they can guide you during the storm, they can guide you about the natural disaster during your voyage. So in this way the people they become very much conscious about the voyage, about the things. And apart from that, there are free fisheries training institute also set up or established in Karachi, and their sole work is, the sole purpose is to train the mariners about the fishing. This is an institute which gives the training about fishing. Okay, and how to catch the fish, how to face the fish, and how you can catch more and more fishes within the short span of time. So in this way some trainings is also given to the mariners and fish catchers, and that is very much useful for them, and they easily catch the fishes, they do not get any kind of harm from the fishing. So several byproducts is also comes out from the fishing, just like we have glue, we have manure, we have liver oil. These are byproducts. Byproducts means just like we get curd from the milk. Means milk is the product and byproduct is what? Byproduct is curd. Okay, so fish is the product and byproduct is glue. Just like we are using during pasting the pages, we are using in woods. Okay, carpenter, they use the glue, and this is one of the finest byproduct that is used all around the globe, that is coming from the fishing, that is coming from the fish. Second one is manure. Manure is what? Manure is also byproduct, or we can say the animal dung or the pesticide, जिसको हम खाद कहते हैं. ठीक है, जिसको हम कहते हैं खाद. ठीक है, या एनिमल dung. This is also comes out from fish. And third one, this is second and this is third one, liver oil. Liver oil means fish liver oil, a dietary supplement. Okay, that is comes out from the fishing or byproduct from the fishing. So chemical, nowadays what happens, we are throwing garbages, we are throwing plastic bags to the canals and to the sea, to the rivers. What is the effect, what is the consequences of throwing the plastic or all these things, or oil? That is the outcome of the wastage of so many fishes. Means we put the danger of fishes in the sea, because fish cannot survive in this filthy environment. Fish needs a fresh water, fish needs a we can say fresh water, pure water. So if we fill the filth in the water, we throw the plastic, all these chemical wastage in the water, we will not have the abundant quality of fish in the future. So we have to restrict ourselves, we have to be conscious ourselves that we should not throw all these things in the rivers, in the sea, and in this way the damage of fish water and marine water life we put in the danger. So this is all about the second part of the fishing. So our lesson has been completed right now, and whatever according to the text I explained to you. If you have any confusion, if you have any kind of question regarding teaching, regarding fishing, you may ask on Zoom app, and you may ask later. Thank you very much.